Hi, so today we're going to work on the keyboard and what's called home row. So here's your keyboard. Some of you may be on a laptop, some of you may not have all of the keys that are over to the right of the keyboard, but your basic keyboard is the QWERTY keyboard, QWERTY, and this row is called home row, ASDF. JKL That's called home row. That's where your 8 fingers originate as we type. So we first need to learn, where does my keyboard need to go? Well, it needs to not be far away from the edge of the desk, so we're not leaning like this. It needs to be close to the edge of your desk, and the B should be about where your belly button is. So that's the middle of the keyboard, the A through Z keyboard. And the B is at your belly button, and the keyboard is at the edge of your desk. So we're going to start with our left hand. The pinky is on A, the ring finger S, middle finger D, and pointer finger F, and your thumb is just tucked up over the space bar. The right hand will be J, K, L, and sim key for the semicolon. So we first need to just practice taking your hands off and on. Notice that my wrists, I'm going to scoot this up a little farther so you can see, are not down, they're not flat. I'm not leaning back in my chair, I'm sitting up in my chair, and my thumbs are tucked up over the space bar. Some of you might want to be like this, and we can't type crooked. Some of you want to be like this, or hunched up over your keyboard. You want to make sure that your keyboard is towards the edge of your desk. B is on your belly button. And then just practice hands on home row. And again, adjust a little bit. Take them off. Home row. Take them off. If you look at the F and the J, there's a little tiny line at the bottom of the key. That's so your pointer fingers know you're in the right place. I would like you to put a piece of masking tape or scotch tape so you don't have to feel for that little line. You can tell right off the bat that you're in the right place. So just practice hands off, sitting up straight, feet flat on the floor. Curve your fingers almost as though if I had a ball and I was curving my fingers around the ball. So home row, ASDF, JKL sim. ASDF, JKL sim, off and on until it's comfortable, until you can get your hands in the right position. Not at a slant, not flat. Your wrists are up off the bottom. Okay, that's the first step, and that's the end of our first video. Practice.